Hey everyone, Shane here from Capital Growth Traders. Welcome back. So today I thought I'd just do a bit of a scan on three coins that I'm looking at, which are DOT, BAT, and ANT. So we'll start off with DOT at the moment. Let's jump onto the 12-hour time frame. So my bias is down at the moment because we've had this nice push down, a bit of a bear flag happening here, retracement into areas of resistance. And now we're continuing down. My EMAs are bearish as well. So let's jump down to the 4-hour time frame. You got some nice wicks to the top side. We've also touched the retracement golden pocket here on Fibonacci. And we can see now that we've formed a nice flag. Even if we chuck it on our line chart, it consolidates it really nicely and gets rid of all that mess. So price looks like it has broke down. We're just waiting for that clear break because there's a lot of wicks to the bottom side here. So it shows a lot of volatility still in this area. So I want a nice solid close and then potentially a like something like this, and then retrace and then have the EMAs push this down like that and then continue down. I would be looking at this target here. These areas here are potential support areas. So if I do take this trade, I will be looking at what happens here and what type of reactions are happening, because we could come down here and consolidate again and drop. So that is DOT. Let's jump over to ANTUSDT. Same sort of thing here. If we jump onto the daily time frame, we've got bearish structure. There's no reason to be looking for longs unless you're scalping and you're on really small time frames. So in my opinion, always trying to find the highest position to short it back down, because that's where the most momentum is. So EMAs are bearish. 4-hour, forming that bear flag into resistance here. You can see had some rejection out of this resistance here into the golden pocket. So two areas of stacked value where two different types of traders are trading from, which is always good. Let's have a look. So we got that bear flag happening here. Chuck it on the line chart. Yep, nice and clean through here. Probably just sharpen that up a bit, but all good. So we're definitely looking for this to break down to the bottom side. We do have wicks like usual, just showing a little bit of volatility down here. So we don't want to get caught out with a, like a liquidity grab and then the market makers and movers push it back up. So we really want to see pretty much what I've drawn here, right? The EMAs push down out like this, and then wherever this the price gets to and the EMAs an area of value trade from, then that's where I'd be looking to short from. But you want to be looking for wicks to the top side as well to show that sellers are in control. This is the golden box here where I would be looking to take trades into, and I'd be watching for market structure out of this. So more positive market structure. Just got to be cautious of this area as well, right? Showing volatility in this area. So yeah, just got to be cautious, like everything. Yeah, so that's my analysis of that. Long term, I'd be looking for here if I do take this trade, and if the setup is goes to my trading plan. Last one is BATUSDT. All right, so let's jump onto the daily really quickly. Same thing, the whole market's pretty bearish at the moment. So we've had that double top up here, and now we've got the EMAs crossed bearish. We are trading into pretty big support. So this is a little bit riskier, this trade, because we always got to look at what we're trading into as well. However, you just got to watch for market structure and see if there's any like a double bottom or like positive market structure coming out of their divergences into these big areas. So yeah, so 12-hour the daily's bearish. we're forming another continuation pattern. So we could, you know, flag in here still a little bit until the EMA is pushed down and squeeze us out of these support zone areas. Let's jump on. So we have broken out of this flag. Let's have a look. Yeah, we've broken out of this flag. So now we're just sort of waiting for this EMA to sort of push us down, and then we, you know, we sort of can have a bit of a retrace here. Probably jump into the 15-minute time frame to catch a better entry. The EMAs are pretty, you know, pointing down pretty solidly, so then they're not running flat. Okay, so that's always a good sign. But yeah, we just got to be cautious of this support area here. So you could even sort of wait for that and then back down to there. And that is the 3 coins that I am looking for today. If you enjoy this content, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and the notification bell. And I'll see you on the next video.